The best length for your video. Hello YouTuber. 5 minutes? 10 minutes? 30 minutes? How long should your videos be to get loved by the algorithm? And yes, the right length is about the algorithm, not the viewers. This means that if someone will decide if your videos have the perfect length, it's obviously YouTube. The viewer doesn't care about time, he cares about the value and information delivered in the video, no matter if it takes 1 minute or 1 hour. YouTube algorithm, though, shouldn't be ignored. It's how your content is pushed on the platform. So to answer the question, we scoured YouTube and Google looking for different points of view from YouTube experts like Think Media and Mr. Beast. And this is what we found. It seems like 8 minutes is the average length recommended. Because the YouTube algorithm pushes 8-minute long videos more than others? Absolutely not. Experts agree that videos should be around this length to make you, YouTuber, earn more money from AdSense. It gives you the opportunity to put more ads in your videos, at the beginning, at the end, and in the middle. Now that you know, the choice is yours. Subscribe for more straight-to-the-point information about YouTube automation. I bet you too have a question. Write it down in the comments below, we'll be happy to reply. If you like this short video, you would absolutely love the following one.